How to promote Clickbank products without your own website. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can promote your own Clickbank products without your own website. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you might be wondering is what is Clickbank and how do you promote Clickbank products? Well, Clickbank is a platform that provides you with high ticket affiliates, so you can earn money with affiliate marketing. And Clickbank basically provides you a platform for you to begin your affiliate marketing journey. They will give you affiliate links, and all you have to do is promote those links. So it's a very simple and easy process to start your account on Clickbank. All you have to do is click on start here. And when you're on clickbank.com, this is just going to take you to the sign up form. The sign up form is pretty simple and easy, and you just have to answer a couple of questions. You have to sign up with your email and phone number, and you're going to be ready to go. So you understand how Clickbank works. It's affiliate marketing, but how can you do affiliate marketing without your own website? Well, there are a bunch of different ways. So to start off with, there is one of my personal favorites, and the most popular way to promote your affiliates is Facebook. So Facebook is very popular. A lot of people might be wondering, oh, Facebook is on the downhill. Why would I promote on Facebook? Well, Facebook is definitely not on the downhills. Facebook is still one of the largest social media platforms with the highest amount of active users that are in comparison to any other social media platform. So I do recommend that you start off with Facebook, and Facebook is an essential part of affiliate marketing. I have noticed that affiliates that I have promoted on Facebook are doing a lot better than those that I have only promoted on other websites. So to begin your Facebook affiliate, okay, you're on Facebook. How do you promote the product? Well, let's say from Clickbank, I get a product that is about weight loss. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for weight loss, and then you're going to go into your filter section. You're going to go into groups. So once you go into groups, you're going to join a bunch of these different weight loss groups, and then you're going to start promoting your affiliate there. And the reason for that is you're going to get direct audience. So these people are already interested in losing weight. All you're doing is providing them with a method. So whatever kind of product that you get or service that you get, all you have to do is promote it in the accurate Facebook group. So you can just promote it in the group that you want. Like join like a bunch of 10 to 15 groups, join them, and then start promoting your affiliate there. Just add like a genuine kind of story about like how you use this product, how you really liked it, and how it's a great product. So all you have to do is just, click on this, click on join group. And once you've joined the group, you're just going to start promoting the affiliate just right over here. I can't believe I lost 7 pounds with this green tea. And then you can start adding your affiliate link. So if it's a green tea, that's like with the assumption that I'm going with. You're going to copy and paste your affiliate over here. So make sure it doesn't sound like you're marketing something. Try to seem as genuine as possible. That is the way that you're going to get the most amount of clicks on your product. So keep that in mind when you are looking to promote any product. Now, with Facebook, all you have to do is promote it on Facebook groups. Now, there is another method that you can use on Facebook. I don't find it to be super effective as the group method, but in comparison to other methods, it's still a very great way. And that is going on to Facebook, just search for weight loss. So what you can do is instead of searching over here, you can just go into your menu section over here. And from your menu, you're going to go into your pages section. And then you're just going to click on create new page. And then you can create a Facebook page for the affiliate that you are promoting. So that is one way to go around promoting your affiliate. So I could name this weight loss program for women or whatever. So you can just add that over here and make a Facebook page for the affiliate and start promoting via that. And that also serves as a very good page front for your affiliate. Now, what is another way that you can promote your Clickbank product? Well, it is one of the most popular social media platforms, TikTok. So on TikTok, what you can basically do is you can just join on TikTok. You can click on upload over here, and then you can use any kind of royalty-free sites, or if you have some videos available of the product or service that you're promoting, you can put it in shorts and then upload it on TikTok. And in that way, people are going to click on the link. Just add the link in the description. So you can search for affiliate marketing like this. And then you can see there are a bunch of different videos. You can add your own kind of affiliate links as well. Add this kind of tag, add a bunch of different tags that you can, and you're going to be pretty good to go. So it's a pretty simple and easy process, and all you have to do is use any kind of royalty-free images. So you can go on to VecTZ, you can go on to Shutterstock, you can go on to any of these royalty-free sites for your images, and then you can start just uploading them on TikTok. Now, another great way to promote your affiliate products is medium.com. So medium.com is basically basically a article writing platform, and anyone can write articles over here. So you're going to get a very wide range of audience from medium.com, and you're just going to click on write over here, and over here you're just going to sign up with your email address. I've already signed up. I have a Medium account, and you're just going to click on start writing, and then you can become a writer on Medium, and then you can write any kind of article you want on the Medium platform, and they don't blacklist you. They don't do anything like that. As long as your article is good and people are interested in reading it, you're going to be good to go, and you're going to get a wider audience. So with Facebook and TikTok, it's only going to be people that have searched for those kinds of things. With Medium, people might just run across the article and find it interesting. So if they just find it interesting, they might just read it for no reason and then buy your affiliate product. Now, another great method that I love is Twitter. So Twitter is another very large social media platform. You can add tweets over here, and with Twitter, it's pretty easy to add explicit content as well. So if you get like any kind of explicit affiliates that might be more high ticketing than other affiliates, then you can definitely check out Twitter, and you can promote it on Twitter. You're not gonna get blacklisted, your account is not gonna get deleted, and you're gonna be pretty good to promote. So with Twitter, you can just tweet whatever. So let's say you're just gonna tweet about the weight loss product. So I lost 10 pounds with this green tea, and then you can add the link. Obviously, you can make a longer story, and then you can add images, gifs, polls, emojis, emoticons. So you can add all of that, and this will enable you to actually make your tweet more interesting and have more people interested in your affiliate product. Now, I have saved the best for last. The last way that I am going to show you guys to promote affiliate products or ClickBank products specifically is Pinterest. Now, you might be wondering, Pinterest is so hard. How can I promote on Pinterest? Well, Pinterest is not hard at all. I have applied for a business account. I have a business account. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. You get detailed analytics for your posts, and all you have to do on Pinterest is create a pin. And you might be wondering, how can I create a pin? I'm not artistic. I don't know how to do that. Well, there is a solution for that, which is Canva. So let's say you're just going to click on create pin on Pinterest over here, and then you're just going to add your title of the pin, add the description, and add your destination link, which is going to be your affiliate link. So whatever affiliate link you get, you're going to click on add a destination link, and you're going to enter it over here, and then you're going to add an image. And you might be wondering, okay, I'm just going to add any random image. For Pinterest, I recommend that you put in some effort and design it on Canva. So you can just go into custom size on canva.com, change this from pixels to inches, add a 12-inch width and a 16 inches in height. And then you're just going to click on create new design. And from here, you're going to have a blank empty canvas. You can go into the element section. I'm just going to search for slim. On the element section, I'm going to go on graphics. And then I'm going to enter this illustration of a skinny lady. And then I'm going to enter another illustration of a lady that is not that skinny, and then I can just add these over here like so, and then I'm just going to click on my element section. I'm going to go and search for arrow over here. So I'm just going to search for a arrow, and then I'm just going to use this, and then obviously you can add more design elements as well. You can add some text as well to make it more explanatory, and then you're just going to upload this on Pinterest, and you're going to be ready with a beautiful little pin to promote your ClickBank product. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to promote your own high ticketing affiliates from ClickBank on these different social media platforms without your own website. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment box down below, and like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content like this, and I will catch you guys in the next video.